Hello?
Is this DJ?
Yeah, what's up, Kyle?
Yo, what up, homie? What are you doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow? Nothing.
What's going on, guys? Cody here with CJ Built. Today we're out here with Makel.
What up?
And you know, we're doing something. So today I really wasn't planning on doing anything, but you know, we got a message from Black Widow Supra yesterday, you know, as you can see from the intro of the video. And right now we're in Tampa. Very impulse trip. We're in Tampa. We're heading to Kyle's house right now. And we're gonna hang out with him, Chris from Supercar Suspects, and some other guys. We're gonna be going to his Get Ratchet meet tonight. And it's gonna be a fun time. So we're about, GPS says 10 minutes. I can't speak. GPS says 10 minutes away, so in 10 minutes we're gonna be pulling up to Kyle's house to see all his beauties. So yeah, guys, we'll catch you at Kyle's. What is that?
Look at the bullhorn!
It's got the freaking horn. Oh, the camera won't focus. It's pretty clean. Simple.
You know it's murder, murder. We scream, we yelling, we live in murder, murder, murder.
Alright guys, so we just got the Kyle. Everybody just grouped up here. Right now we're all getting in our cars and we're going to start heading out to the event to start getting set up. So let's head over to that event. Oh my God. Kyle making friends with the cop. Good.
Nice car!
Just pulled up to the spot. This is where the event's gonna be tonight. This is the shop. It's gonna be a fun night. Now how about that to start the night?
Oh, baby, it's gonna be a good night.
Look at the color on this Evo. Yo, is this an OEM color? Yeah. It's the final edition? Yeah. What the hell? Because I have a final edition at home, but in white. I never saw this one.
Yeah, this is
Holy shit. I like it. Lasting effects.
like Mexican Viagra.
Alright guys, so we're waiting for the pre-meet to start. And we're riding out with our boy Armand that we met up here, Focus ST. Armand Films, check out his YouTube right here. We're riding out to Culver's, you know, we gotta get that food vlog on. And then after Culver's, we're gonna ride to the pre-meet. And then we're gonna go back to the meet that we were, so we went to the meet, to the pre-meet, and then we're going back to the meet. So yeah, that's gonna happen. We made it to Culver's. We're not gonna bore you with the food vlog. So we're gonna go eat. Oink. 6-speed. Got the Cobb tuner. Actually a lot more roomy than I thought. It looks a lot smaller from the outside.
It's super comfortable with the seats.
Yeah, man, the seats, like, they hold you in. I think there used to be lights though, but yeah, they just decided to take them out. Huh?
Just sneezes 24/7.
It's so like subtle, but it's just like.
Maybe it'll pop. No.
Yeah, you can hear it popping a little bit.
It'll do a big big backfire sometimes.
I heard a brap. Yeah, we definitely headed out too late.
We were there super early, and then
we were there at 5. We were there, had the parking, and then we had to go eat.
Fat boys.
Fat boys, and we literally just screwed ourselves. We're back again.
Guess who's back?
Back again. That is so clean. Yeah, it's an old Corolla. Look at this line in the back of the meet to try to find parking. That Evo, hello. Look at that line of people. It's gonna be a big night. Big night.
Oh, is it?
What?
Is it?
What are you trying to say to me right now?
What are you saying that's big?
Where?
Oh, I see him.
Yo, you don't see this ever. It's a Cedric or Cedric, whatever you want to pronounce it. Yo, you don't see this at all. Let's talk about how this emblem sticks out way far.
You know why?
Why?
Where's the keyhole?
Bend over and I'll show you. No, then there's this R32 here, whatever.
And then another.
Yeah, so we have an R32, Celica GTS4? No, I mean GTS, the GT4. I always say GTS4. I don't know. I want to go look at that. That's probably right-hand drive. We have a Teggy. We have another R32, wide body S2K, Nismo with Neons, 300ZX, 200ZX, misread, but I know what I meant. Oh no shit. Yo, I don't think I've ever seen one of these. Okay, I respect it. Mazda 6. I kind of want to go see that Celica. That Celica has my eye. Yeah, right-hand drive spec. For the longest time, I really liked these Celicas, bro. These are probably my favorite Celicas at the time. One of my favorite cars, to be honest. I don't know. I just like the style of it. I don't know. Like, I don't know. I like it, man. Supra. Always got Supras. That RCF, damn. Yo, look at this Corolla. I feel like this is, for some reason, pushing down a lot of power. I want to see what's under the hood. Yeah. It just, yo, deceived me. That's full there. Oh. What? Whoa, wait. Where'd that come from?
What is this?
Yo, it's really clean, though. Oh. Is he going to the pit? Supra. I think it's a Chaser.
A Mark II, right?
Maybe. I want to see those RS sections though. Look how pretty.
I'll give it to a lot of boys.
This is the one I've seen online a lot. Look at all that rose gold. That's nice. Very clean. Both of them very clean. Alright guys, tonight is wild. Having such a great time out here. But the night's not over, don't worry, we're just coming, change some battery. But damn, it's a crazy, crazy night. So many people here, man. You know, the pit box where everybody's doing donuts is live. Man, Mako, how is it, bro?
Bro, worth the 4-hour drive.
Does Tampa know how to throw it down, or does Tampa know how to throw down?
Eventually.
So as we were saying, we're gonna change our shit real quick, and then we're gonna go back out there and see what's going down.